Hi guys! In this video I will show you 3 simple recipes for overnight oats: Monkey Business, After 8 and Bounty flavors. We are starting with Monkey Business. All recipes includes oats and plant-based milk. I've used almond milk. Also I like to mix everything so the final product are creamy, delicious pudding-like oats. In a blender cup, add half a cup of oats, 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, half a banana, and 1 cup of milk. Mix everything until creamy. Transfer into the jar and cover. Put the jar in the fridge to thicken. Next one is After 8 inspired overnight oats. The main ingredient beside oats is peppermint oil. If you don't have peppermint oil, you can use fresh mint leaves. We are starting with half a cup of oats, adding 2 teaspoons of hemp seeds, 1 tablespoon of coconut yogurt, 2 Swiss chard leaves, you can also use spinach or kale, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, 1 cup of plant milk, and 2 drops of peppermint oil. Mix everything until smooth. Transfer into the jar and add additional 1/4 cup of oats. Stir and refrigerate. Last but not least are these delicious Bounty flavor overnight oats. In a blender cup, add half a cup of oats, 1/4 cup of coconut flakes, 1 tablespoon of coconut butter, 2 teaspoons of agave syrup, one cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of almond slices, mixed until creamy. Transfer into the jar and refrigerate. After 30 minutes in the fridge, remove jars and add melted chocolate on top. To Monkey Business, I've added 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, on top of Bounty, I've added coconut flakes, and on top of After 8 chocolate sprinklers. Put in the fridge overnight and enjoy next morning or whenever you like. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you liked it. Bye bye till next time.